The purpose of this video is to show you how to delete a folder that your computer won't let you delete. It says you'll need to provide administrative permission to delete this folder. So I'm like, okay. And it tells you you require permission from System to make changes to this folder. Right-click on the folder you're wanting to delete, go to Properties, click on the Security tab, go to Advanced, and click on Change. Now type in the blank space everyone and hit OK. Hit Apply, and it reads, if you have just taken ownership of this object, you will need to close and reopen this object's properties before you can view or change permissions. So I say OK, and then go to Properties, Security, Edit, and check mark the Full Control box and Modify box. Hit Apply, and it will say you are about to change the permission settings on system folders. This can reduce the security of your computer and cause users to have problems accessing files. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. It doesn't always come up with this box, but sometimes it does. It will say an error occurred while applying security information in. Hit continue anyway. Go to delete. Are you sure you want to move this folder to the recycle bin? Say yes. Now it's not going to automatically disappear from the window. You're going to have to hit the refresh button to show that it's gone. And it's gone. All my DaVinci folders are gone. They're no longer cluttering up the background of my computer. And there they all are. All of that garbage. I love DaVinci Resolve, but there is some garbage left on my computer after uninstalling it. So let's get rid of that. That's much better. I'm much happier now. Hopefully this helped you out in deleting a folder you know your computer does not need to have on it and that another program installed it and locked it basically. But you have the key, you just need to let your computer know that you have it. Have an awesome day, guys.